So what we have here is out of the center stack. I did not show how to open this, although I could, but I think I did in a previous video. And those tiny little indents have got to be held open with a screwdriver, or if you prefer, a guitar pick, cell phone pick. So usually I will just reach in underneath them with my jeweler's screwdrivers and get them started. Yep. This one's being kind of a stubborn little SOB. There we go. We got the first side undone, and as we break all the snaps. And yes, I'm sure there are people out there who have broken all the snaps, and they're going to say, oh, it doesn't make a difference. To me, it does. I always remind myself to just be easy does it, because I can get really crazy at times in my head. And I'm sure that there'll be 29 other people out there telling me I'm doing this wrong, and that's okay. Each of us has our own way of doing things. So I won't cry too much about that either. Just like that. I get tiny little scratches from the tool marks on it. Now, one thing you do need to be mindful of, there is a rotating dial right here in the center. I hope you can see that. You need to put that back in the board. Right there, there's a little fitting that it fits onto that you have to lock it back in place. Here are these. This is actually quite simple. And the light that's burnt out, again, is this light on the end with the climate control function, with all the little stick figure drawings and the little defrost drawing and whatnot. So we just need a screwdriver about this size, and we put it in and we'll twist this light out.
Nope, didn't need them. Sweet. I have a pair of 4 steps out there for working on electronics, because I'm working on other things out in the garage at the same time, and if you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm always working on something. Next, we're going to be moving on to doing some repair of a door handle and the paint around it, which I've already covered in another video, but those videos may get put together for all I know, so I'll wait and see. And this light bulb is definitely black and burnt out. And I bought some new ones.
There's 10 pieces in the bag. They say it's a number 056575, 18-04. I don't remember if these are T4, T3, T something 4.2. I can't remember. That to the board. I've done that before, where I actually solder LEDs straight to the board after verifying the correct positioning of them. It has a very tiny little opening to slot on it to turn the light. It is very tiny, and so they don't like to spin in very good. The original OEM had quite a bit more girth to them. Girth. He said girth. Wow. Okay, moving along. These have a little crummy piece of wire, a little grubby, crummy piece of wire in them. And that is what makes them work. As where the OEM had, I'll show you in a second. These OEM ones, as you can see, or maybe not see, they have a very, very, very tiny, right there, little metal contacts. Work, I have found, is this wire is not big enough here. I don't even think you can see that. It probably won't focus on it. There's a little strand of wire. It sits below the edge, they won't work properly, so you have to solder them on the board. And as I stated, they may or may not work, these lights. Yep, these light bulbs. Make absolutely certain that it fits into the certain holes it's supposed to fit to. So there's a little arm here. You can see it right here, hopefully. A little tiny arm in there. That little tiny arm has to interlock with these little, they look almost like little finger paws. Little paw fingers, right? There. You have to put them into it. It sometimes can be quite infuriating because you try to put together once only to realize I was defeated and I needed to open it back up. The way they've designed this, you can get it screwed up in a second flat if you're not careful. Actually hear when it hits into that detent because you'll hear it snap. Hear it? If you miss it, you will have no snapping noise. It'll just be loose and floppy and sloppy. You will see you have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, plus you've got 2 guide holes. Those are going to go in back here. Right down in there, where the 3-hole openings are. You can see it. See it? All the lights are flashing. So the radio works. These all light up. I've already checked them before. So now to see if the center lights up, because I can't tell. Oh, look at that. All right, we've had success. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, off.